Hi, Elaine here with WTI. I'm introducing you to my new favorite snack, organic figs. First of all, I love that there's a perfect amount of figs in this package. I am a date and prune lover, but these figs have just put me over the edge. I want to show you the nice big round size they are and look inside. You're going to see all the beautiful inside of the fig in there. It's a little bit crunchy because of the insides, but the sweetness is great. I love how it says not a low-calorie food, but it's so worth it because it's delicious. It has good amount of fiber, it has a good amount of protein, and every drop of those natural sugars is worth it to me. I love it. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.